Evacuate, evacuate. The following message is transmitted at the request of the Fort Worth Chemicals Department and the Texas Department of Emergency Management. At 10:35 p.m. Central Daylight Time, a leak has been detected in one of the chemical silos at the plant, releasing argon. Argon gas is heavier than air and will sink, but if a room is full with argon, oxygen deprivation will start, which will lead to minor eye irritation, skin irritation, rapid loss of consciousness, convulsions, coma, respiratory collapse, and death. Evacuate north on State Highway 59 immediately. Sheltering in place is not advised as the oxygen can be replaced in the room and could lead to oxygen deprivation symptoms. Evacuate now.